So just to bring our viewers up to speed, for those of you who don't know, this past year with COVID, Chief took his 2 children, Rocket and Savvy, out of college because they were basically doing college in their rooms and absolutely miserable doing so, and decided to teach them real estate investing, something that whether they go into it or not, they can have for the rest of their lives. Whatever their careers are, it's a wonderful way to make extra money. So I would love to hear what happened. now we're like, how far in are we? Like 8 months, 9 months?
7 months into it.
Oh my God, that's fantastic.
Yeah, almost 7 months into it. So it's really funny because the whole idea initially was to shoot videos through their education and to take what they were learning and share it with other people. And, you know, at the end of the day, we got so busy doing deals. Yeah. They are on, I think, their 6th deal.
Oh my God, that's amazing.
Yeah, so
I want to be on my 6th deal.
Yeah, 6th deal. I mean, think about that. 18 and my daughter just turned 20, so 18 and 20. Great. You know, it's really exciting. So I'm going to shoot more videos, so I don't want to give away too much. Okay. Because I think there's a lot of content that people could learn from. Sure. And maybe, you know, inspire younger people and also inspire us older people as well. But it's really exciting because I don't know which way they're going to go. I don't know if my daughter's re-enrolled in college because she wants to explore some things. So I think real estate might be her side hustle. And what's really interesting is what she's learned to do is she will have a 6-figure a year, and it's probably low 6-figure. She might make 100, 150 grand a year while she's going to college. So most people go into debt 100 to 150, and she's going to be making that. Oh my God, that's amazing. I did the numbers on it. If they follow, if they do what I tell them to do, and if they're on their current path, by the time their friends get out of college, and I say it's a 5-year test because they go to college for year 1, 2, 3, 4, and then they have to work for 1 year. So their friends, by the time they get out of college and the cost of college and the missed opportunity for year 1, 2, 3, and 4, I figured my kids will be about $750,000, about somewhere between $720,000 and $860,000 financially ahead of their friends. So by this person makes their first year salary of $50,000 or $150,000, my kids will have earned $700,000. And I think Rocket is probably going to stick to it. He doesn't want to go back to college. He's happy. Yeah, I think so. So worst case scenario, they've got a little side hustle where they can earn whatever the hell they want to earn, an extra $50,000 a year, an extra $150,000 a year.
That's amazing.
And if they do it full time this year they'll make about $160,000. So that's not too shabby. And next year they'll probably not quite double it, but close. We'll say $250,000.
So your kids used the deals delivered, which is awesome because obviously they're new at this whole game here, even though their dad's a real estate investor and has been for many, many years. They took advantage of deals delivered, which if you don't know about the program, Chief's company will actually bring you pre-screened deals. So they automatically are set up to make money because they're new with this and going out and finding their own deals, especially while you're in college, would be challenging. But deals delivered actually gives you the ability to do that. So that's what the kids did. Right. And that's why they were able to do 5 or 6 deals so quickly, is using deals delivered makes it so much easier.
And it made sense because, you know, the most challenging thing is finding deals, right?
Sure.
So I broke it down into, 3 categories of learning. The first one was the foundation. I didn't want to teach them what an escrow is and title and, just all the stuff I hate. So I made them go get their real estate license. They don't have it yet, but they're studying that. So it was a home study course, $350. Yeah. Learn what the word title means, learn what an encroachment is. But those are the foundations that they may or may not use. Do you have to know how many square feet there are in an acre? Who cares? That's the part. The next part was actually to do deals. So stuff that I call practical money-making, dollar productive, profit productive activities, which is, finding a deal. So I'm doing that. They actually borrow money from my company.
Yes.
So they are a client. We're using their college tuition for the down.
That's awesome.
But everything else, daddy's not giving them the money. They're borrowing money, and they have to deal with the contractors and mundane stuff. Turning on the utilities, turning off the utilities. We ordered appliances and no one showed up to deliver them. So they had to figure out how to deal with that. We had a termite company come out and we didn't have water at the property, and the termite company didn't bring enough sandbags for their circus tent.
Interesting.
So these are real world scenarios that they had to figure out, what do we do? And my answer is always the same: figure it out.
That's amazing.
Every once in a while I give them the answer, but for the most part,
no, but you're giving your kids so many tools that they'll be able to apply to other times in their lives. I just think this is such an awesome thing you're doing.
I think
I really, truly do. Even besides the money they're going to make, and now they know how to do this, the tools of just knowing how to call a utility company and knowing how to do problem solving is something that you don't learn in college. It's great. It's really wonderful, and I'm excited to see more. I
It's
can't wait to
exciting.
see as you do all of these videos.
We'll get caught up on the videos. Right now we're so far behind.
Yeah, and your idea of teaching your kids and then putting it on YouTube and sending it out so that
so other
everyone
people
can
can
learn
learn.
from it. Everyone at any age can start real estate investing.
I think
Absolutely.
the most valuable thing, it's my daughter would say the most important thing is how much money she's making.
She's all about it, huh?
She's all about it. But it's really interesting as a parent or just
Yes.
someone that's maybe a little older and has a little bit more world experience. The most valuable lesson is daily lessons, how to deal with people, how to deal with
Yes.
maybe someone that's in a foul mood. The circus tent shows up and you can't get your place fumigated, you got to close of escrow in 5 days.
Yes.
And so how do you solve immediately? They try to communicate this way. And I'm like, no, call people.
Pick up the phone.
Okay, Dad. I'm like, no. I did not say people. I said people.
Get on the phone.
Because, their
That's so
generation is
true.
everything is thumbs.
That
And I'm
is
like,
so
that's not
true.
how. If you want stuff done, pick up the phone. Get
Yes.
it done. So it's those life lessons where they will learn skills that if they become real estate investors, great. If they choose another career path, these are life lessons that can
Very
only
valuable.
make life better. Yeah,
Absolutely. I think it's
So-
great. Okay, fantastic.
So stay tuned. I'll promise eventually I'll get those videos out there so that you can watch.
Watch and learn.